Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create and manage a new channel in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're organizing team projects, managing discussions, or just keeping your workspace tidy, this guide will make the process super simple. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at setting up Teams channels in 2025. Sign in to Microsoft Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or mobile device. Enter your credentials, your username and password, and log in. Once you're inside, you'll see your main workspace with all your teams listed. Locate the Community option. Next, find the Community option. On the desktop, it's usually in the left sidebar. If you're using the mobile app, it'll be under your menu options. Click it, and you'll see a list of all your existing teams. Select the correct team. Choose the team where your new channel will live. This step is crucial because it ensures your conversations stay organized and relevant to the right group of people. Add a new channel. Once inside the team, look for the Add Channel button and click it. A pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll set up your new channel. Fill in channel details. Think about the purpose of your channel. Is it for project discussions, announcements, or maybe a social space? This will guide your channel name and settings. Step 6. Name your channel. Choose a clear and descriptive name that reflects the channel's purpose. Keep it concise so everyone immediately knows what it's for. Type the name into the designated field. Finalize channel creation. Once you're happy with the name and details, click Add. And just like that, your new channel appears under the correct team in the sidebar. From here, you can start conversations, share files, and manage your team's communication effectively. And that's it. Creating and managing channels in Microsoft Teams is that easy. Channels help keep your team organized, projects on track, and communication flowing smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more 2025 Microsoft Teams tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.